will learn Arabic days of the week. So let's start. Monday al-Athneen. Monday al-Athneen. Monday al-Athneen. Let's pronounce it with me. Monday al-Athneen. Tuesday al-Thalatha. Tuesday al-Thalatha. Tuesday al-Thalatha. Let's pronounce it with me. Tuesday al-Thalatha. Wednesday al-Arba. Wednesday al-Arba. Wednesday al-Arba. Let's pronounce it with me. Wednesday al-Arba. Thursday al-Hamis. Thursday al-Hamis. Thursday al-Hamis. Let's pronounce it with me. Thursday al-Hamis. Friday al-Jamat. Friday al-Jamat. Friday al-Jamat. Let's pronounce it with me. Friday al-Jamat. Saturday al-Sabal. Saturday al-Sabal. Saturday al-Sabal. Let's pronounce it with me. Saturday al-Sabal. Sunday al-Ahad. Sunday al-Ahad. Sunday al-Ahad. Let's pronounce it with me. Sunday al-Ahad. So let's repeat it all again. Monday al-Athneen. Tuesday al-Thalatha. Wednesday al-Arba. Thursday al-Hamis. Friday al-Jamat. Saturday al-Sabal. Sunday al-Ahad. Next we are learning Arabic months of the year. Now we will learn Arabic months of the year. So let's start. January ya na year. January ya na year. January ya na year. Let's pronounce it with me. January ya na year. February February. February February. February February. Let's pronounce it with me. February February. March Mars. March Mars. Let's pronounce it with me. March Mars. April April. April April. Let's pronounce it with me. April April. May Mayo. May Mayo. Let's pronounce it with me. May Mayo. June you know. June you know. June you know. Let's pronounce it with me. June you know. July Yulo. July Yulo. July Yulo. Let's pronounce it with me. July Yulo. Augustus. Augustus. August. Augustus. August. Let's pronounce it with me. Augustus. August. September. 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 Let's pronounce it with me. September. September. October. 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 Let's pronounce it with me. October. October. November. 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 Let's pronounce it with me. November. November. December. 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 Let's pronounce it with me. December. December. Now let's repeat it all again. January Yanayar. February February. March Mars. April April. May Mayo. June Yuno. July Yulo. August Augustus. September September. October October. November November. December December. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can like, that will inspire me at the future, and you can also provide a comment. You can provide a suggestion so I can understand how I will improve more. And this videos are for the basic understanding of all the international languages. But if you want to know some more deeper of any international languages, you may contact Levitate Yourself at Chapajali Mode, Barashat. The contact details is given at the screen and in the description. Goodbye.